Hello everyone, good evening to each and every one of you depending on the time you become across this video. So here is a standing unit LG inverter air conditioner. So I'll be installing this unit. So here is the space that I'll be installing the unit, and there is no hole. I'll be creating a hole for it. So I'll be starting to unbox the unit from the indoor. So let's unbox the unit and you see how this standing unit look. So I was trying to take out the carton from it through the top, but it was difficult and it was high. So I have to slant it and ask someone to help me in dragging the carton out from the air conditioner. So this is when I'm done. This is how it look actually. So this is how the unit look. Actually, this one, the connection and everything is look different from the formal standard unit. So which will be I'll be showing you on my next video when I'll be installing it. So I'll be showing you how it look now. So I have to take out the nylon from it so that you can see how it look. So I have to reposition it. So let's see how it look. So this is the indoor unit. So take a good look at it. Then let's unbox the outdoor unit. So I have to use my plier in cutting out the row from it. So here is the unboxing of the outdoor unit. So this is how it look. It's perfectly okay. So if today is the first time you're coming across my video, please do well to follow this page, like and share this video so that others can see and also benefit from it. So guys, don't forget to share your own opinion on the comment section and stay tuned because on my next video I'll be installing this unit because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll be showing you how I was able to install this unit. So thank you for watching this video.